Welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to talk to you about the major talking points and features of both interior and exterior on this beautiful 2016 335D M Sport Saloon. Presented in the Estoril blue, and alongside that it does feature a full bespoke YNC Mperformance body styling kit. Alongside that it has got the 19-inch optional 442M alloy wheels that are in the original Bi-Orbit grey, alongside some very nice optional extras including the full BMW M Sport Plus pack. At the front of the car you'll see it does also include a private registration which will come with the vehicle as well, and as you can see there at the front that also says X335, which would of course mean X-Drive, four-wheel drive 335D. By bespoke we do of course mean we've had the front splitter colour coded alongside the top portion being done in gloss black, which as you can see really does suit very nicely with not only the gloss black kidney grills but also the fog light surrounds and of course the central grille. We've got the LED headlights on the vehicle alongside the very nice 19-inch alloys that I've already spoke about, and of course situated behind there you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes. Down the side of the car we've done the gloss black side vinyls on the car and the body colour side bars, and as you can see there the YNC Mperformance decals. It does of course come with the sun protection glazing thanks to that M Sport Plus pack. And as equally as special as the exterior, we've got the very nice black Dakota leather with the oyster highlights on the seats, as you can see there. And the front seats come with both the heated and electric lumbar options, and again are all in fantastic condition on the car. We've got the Harman Kardon surround sound again, as you can see there. And we'll show you around a little bit more of the interior very shortly. The rear seats, however, you do of course still find a Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a centre folding armrest, and again that lovely darkened M Sport headlining, as you can see there. Heading round towards the rear of the car, where again I'll just show you off the stunning 19-inch alloy wheels which come all the way around with the mixed premium run flat tyres. Again, another nice feature for this car is this half body colour, half gloss black rear spoiler, and we've got the full gloss black rear diffuser on the car, which again looks and works very nicely with all of the other additions. Opening up the boot there, you can see just how much of a large space you do find on the 3 Series Saloon, and of course again everything nice, clean and tidy, alongside the genuine floor mats which will of course also accompany the vehicle. Round at the other side you'll be able to see again the Estoril blue really does work very nicely with all of the other additions we've made here, alongside being an excellently well kept vehicle and all in good order. Moving on inside, we're going to show you around a little bit more of the interior details. Just want to try and get through as much as possible how well and all of this nice bespoke custom work we've put into the car. Moving on inside, here you can see we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen of course, alongside our dual climate control with where we find these switches for the heated seats. And again we'll run you through a couple of the screens and functions of this lovely widescreen, starting of course with the navigation. We've also got Bluetooth audio and telephone, and we've got DAB along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including of course music collection, Bluetooth audio, AUX and of course USB inputs. And of course, thanks to it being that tremendous twin turbo, we've also got X-Drive 4-wheel drive. We've also got the superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We've got cruise control, we've got speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all situated on our multifunction M Sport steering wheel. And of course, all of that, it's also a very low mileage car, having covered just over 21,000 miles, as you can see there, and does also include full BMW service history, having to have only just have one service, as I can now show you on here. As you can see there, the next service is not due for 15,000 miles time, and we have got record of the service being done, as you can see there. So hopefully you've been able to enjoy this walk around video, and as I say, for all further information please do remember to have a look down into the description where you'll find a link to our website alongside direct contact details for ourselves here at Your Next Car. And once again, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video on this stunning bespoke 335D M Sport Saloon we have here for you. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you. Goodbye.